This analytics video goes over how to set up cross-domain measurement if you have two websites for a single user journey. For example, if the payment page takes the user to a different domain, each website should use the same measurement ID and be collected together in a single data stream. Start at analytics.google.com on your admin screen. Then go to Data Streams. Click on Configure Tag Settings. Click on Configure Your Domains. Here, enter the information for the domains that you want to include by clicking Add Condition. When you're done, click Save. Once this is set up correctly, you should see the linker parameter in the URL when you land on website 2. This parameter starts with _GL and then a string of characters. GA4 automatically recognizes the websites users come from before arriving to your website and will refer to them as referral traffic. Create a set of filtering conditions so that your website traffic does not show as referral when it goes from website 1 to website 2. An unwanted referral could also be a third-party payment processor that you use on your website. Without setting a filter, the user would be on your website, click to the payment processor, then be labeled as referral traffic when they get back to your website to complete the purchase. You can set up this filter by going back to your admin page, clicking into Data Streams again, click on Configure Tag Settings, click Show More, click List Unwanted Referrals. Add the domain that you want to filter out. GA4 will then exclude this domain from your reports. There is a maximum of 50 domains per data stream that you can exclude as referral traffic. Once you're done entering the domain that you would like to ignore, click on Save, and you'll be all set.